Hello everyone. So today is my presentation about my database project called Online Retail Database. So let's dive into it. So what is database used for? So this database is designed a relational database for an online retail applications. This database also manage products, customer, order, payments, shippings, and order items. The goal of the database is just ensure that accurate order processing, product availability, secure transaction, and positive customer experience. What is the content of the database? So the database content content I think it's five tables. It's called products tables, customer tables, orders table, payments table, shipping tables, and order products tables. The order product table is actually the joy table between the products and customers. So this is my keys feature. So the product table will maintain the update, delete, and search, and customer will managing the register, manage, um, track purchase history. Orders will record and manage the order, track status, and handle return. Payments contain multiple methods. Secure processing is what kind of payments method you want to use, like credit card, debit card, Apple Pay, or something else like third parties payment or something. And shipping is content like courier tracking status and delivery update to is content like a tracking number, so you can pass and copy and paste that number to go to some courier and then see where's your order going to. And yeah, and the next thing is my diagram. So diagram is like the general view for the content of this database. So look at here, we have product tables. They pointed like one to many to the order products, and order point to order products table is one to many also, because product and order table is actually a many to many relationship. So for example, that an order will contain like a lot of product, like for example a person buy multiple thing and then they put it in the same order, and then one product can be bought by many orders. So for example, pencil, they got bought by a lot of people, so that's mean like they have many and many relationship. So look at here, we have payment tables. So payment table is actually many to one relationship with order table, because so one order could have many payment method that they can split it between, you can pay by credit card and debit card. And customer table is a one to many relationship with order tables. So one customer could have a lot of orders, but one order cannot have a lot of customer like that. And shipping table is many to one relationship with order table. So it's mean one order could be split into multiple part, because some part of them is different sellers, so they're gonna split it into multiple shipping. So the next thing is query and report. What queries is a well structured and normalized database schema to support online retail operations. Database query to search the product detail, order with the customer info, and manage shipping information. Next, we have improve efficiency in managing products, customer data, and order transaction. And finally, we have of the queries is enhanced data integrity, consistency, and security within the systems. Going to the reports. So with this reports, we have invoice report that keep track of the revenue. The stock report will keep track of the low stock product. Like it tells you how many, for example, how many books we have in the database. So we can use that to restock it. Money sale report, customer statement, keep track by order history, Shipping report keep track by shipping detail for both customer and business. Next, we have user row of this database. So user row, we usually have admin, customer, manager, and employee. So admin is the one for this user row is mean like what kind of user can use this database. So with admin, they can access to everything. They can update, they can add the table, they can remove the table, they can do everything to the database. Going to manager. So manager can view the report, run the query, but cannot change the database structure. So for example, they will if someone placed an order and then they can see like today like how many people place the order and then what is the product people buy, but and then they can like manager can also query to find like a specific order or specific customer, but manager cannot add or delete anything in the database. Going to customer. Oh, employee. Let's talk about employee. So employees can update and change the new record. For example, if they sell something, they will update. They will add that. Okay, today this customer buy this product. They will add them into the database, but they cannot see the private data or information like customer address, payment, or something. It's very illegal for them to do that. And we have customer, and so customer here they can only see their payment, shipping, order, and cannot access to everything else. So about the query example, so this database have a lot of like purpose to see what is going on inside the retail order. So for example, here I have the product that are low in stock. So this can be due by admin manager. Employee and customer cannot use this. So, oh, I mean, employee can use it because it's not private data. So three of them can like query this and then see that like how many product that are low stock. So for example, we use select, comment, we select like product ID, product name, category, price, availability from the products table where availability like less than five. So we know that like it's very low in stock. It's only like five of them for each. And where the availability is in assessing order. So we're gonna see like which one is like the most needed to restock. So what is next? So database also including like it just manage the database and manage table, but I want to do it here is like I want to use data visualization is like we use some Power BI tools to give some graph and charts to see like what is the trend or the pattern or the like everything else like the month sale to wrap up like in this month like how good we sell, and the next time I want to do data analysis on the of the trended patterns in product of every season to see like what is the most popular thing so we can predict um, what is trending next season. So next is kind of merging learning and data mining step. So this is creating models to predict sell or trend in the future. So we actually kind of analyze through all of our table, and we're gonna get like every of the information about like product, customer to fit into the table, and then to train the table that like what is the behavior of the user, so we can see that what is the next step for our business. So yeah, this is my database project. Thank you so much for listening.